guys, welcome back to the shop. Frank here. Seems like I'm inundated with side projects. For some reason, I've got a couple of doggies here. This is Brutus here. And there you go. Sit, 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 sit. Yeah. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. That's a good boy. Butchie's over there eating your gummy. Is Butchie over there eating your gummy? Come here, Butchie. You're eating Brew Brew's gummy? Why don't you sit? Sit. That's a good boy. Oh, come on. Sit. So it seems like every time I turn around, I have another project I need to take care of. I'm struggling to make progress on the Cub Cadet build. I'm working on it, but I got to fix this floor jack. I've got a floor jack, and it's like only raises up an inch or 2 inches, and then it like runs out of lift capacity. I think it's lost most of its oil, and I went to Tractor Supply yesterday, the day before, getting some other stuff, and the floor jack said, I mean, they wanted $200 for another floor jack. And I can remember we used to buy them at Harbor Freight for like $50. Anyway, $200. So I've got this nice floor jack I'm going to put up on the bench here. I'm going to try to get up on the bench and see if we can figure out why it's not working. I did buy, while I was at Tractor Supply, I bought a bottle of Smitty's Supply hydraulic jack oil. Maybe that's all it's going to take. All right, let me get this floor jack up on the table here. All right, so let me show you what it's doing. Well, it stops at that point. With any weight on it, it won't even go that high. And I don't know whether it's pumping air or what. I see oil there. All right, and then I see air bubbles. All right, so I really have no idea. This is on the cylinder. I'm going to say it looks empty. So I'm going to guess I should fill that up. That's great. So there's oil on here, and so it's leaking. The seals here is leaking. With oil, not exactly sure that that's the right thing to do, but it looks like it might be. It would help if I took the of course, I'm spilling oil everywhere. Well, that just lifts up and gives you access to the fill port. So this is a Cobalt, which is, I think, Home Depot's house brand Model number 00128, something I can't, that's ripped off. I don't know if I can get a seal kit for it or not. All right, so don't do that. Almost had a disaster on my hands. At least the jack worked. When I put it up on those furniture dollies, I had to raise it like 2 inches, put another 2x4 in, raise it by 2 inches, put another 2x4 in there because it would only move a couple inches. Now, obviously, it works fine. It did leave a little drop of oil on the floor, so I know it is leaking. I got my lathe back down on the ground, but that was not the way to do it. Anyway, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.